fake! Look out! I'll protect you! He missed! We're safe!
Oh my god, viewers! Just look at this dinosaur story. It looks absolutely incredible. Honestly, I was amazed when I saw the final result. The best part is that I created this entire story with just one click using a 100% free AI tool. First of all, let me show you a YouTube channel called Pangea. Viewers, this channel has already gained almost 1 million subscribers. And the most surprising part is that it has uploaded only 8 videos. Yes, viewers, only 8 videos. And it has already crossed nearly 1 million subscribers. Now let's talk about its estimated monthly earnings. According to available estimates, this channel is making around 4.7K every month, which is an incredible amount. If we look at the performance of its videos, you'll be shocked. Its most popular video has received more than 221 million views. The second video has crossed 117 million views. The third video has reached around 88 million views. Just imagine that! This channel simply uploads engaging 3D dinosaur story videos, and people absolutely love watching them. I honestly couldn't believe it when I saw these numbers. I kept wondering how a channel with only a handful of videos could achieve such unbelievable success. That's why I decided to make this complete tutorial for you. Before we begin, I highly recommend that you spend a few minutes watching these videos carefully. Pay close attention to the storytelling. Look at the camera angles. Observe the character consistency. Notice the emotions. Study the animation quality. And most importantly, understand why people are watching these videos until the very end. Now let's move to the most important part of this tutorial, the master prompt. Viewers, I have already prepared a complete master prompt for you. The best part is that you don't have to create anything yourself. You'll find this complete master prompt in the description below this video. Simply open the description and copy it. This master prompt includes absolutely everything you need. It contains the complete story. It contains scene-by-scene image prompts. It contains cinematic video prompts. It contains professional English voiceover prompts. Simply copy the entire master prompt. After that, open the Cloude AI website. Once you're inside Cloude AI, paste the complete master prompt into the prompt box. Now simply click the Generate button. That's it. After waiting for a few moments, Cloude AI automatically creates everything for you. Look at this. It has generated the complete story. It has generated scene-by-scene image prompts. It has generated detailed cinematic video prompts. It has generated professional English voiceovers. Everything is perfectly organized. Just look at these prompts. Take your time and analyze them carefully. Notice how detailed they are. Its prompt generation quality has improved tremendously, and the outputs are becoming more cinematic and more consistent than ever before. Now let's move to the next part, generating the images completely free. For image generation, I'm going to use Google Gemini. As you already know, Google Gemini is an excellent AI tool for creating high-quality images. Now I'll copy my first image prompt from the master prompt. I'll paste it into Google Gemini. Then I'll click the Generate button. Now let's wait for a few seconds, and look at this result! Oh my god! This image looks absolutely amazing. Honestly, I wasn't expecting such a high-quality image from a completely free AI tool. The lighting looks fantastic. The dinosaur design is excellent. The environment is beautiful. The overall cinematic quality is simply outstanding. Now let's create the second image. I'll copy the second image prompt, paste it into Gemini. Click Generate once again. We'll wait a few more seconds. And there it is. Look at the second image. Once again, the quality is incredible. Everything looks perfectly detailed. The character consistency is maintained beautifully. Now let's generate the third image. I'll copy the third prompt, paste it into Gemini. Click Generate. Wait for a few moments. And here's the third image. Again, the quality is absolutely amazing. The dinosaur still looks consistent. The environment is cinematic. The lighting is beautiful. Everything looks professionally generated. Now let's create the fourth image. I'll copy the fourth prompt, paste it, click Generate. Wait for a few seconds and look at this. The fourth image is also fantastic. At this point, my first 4 images are completely ready. Now I'll continue generating the remaining images exactly the same way. I'll simply copy each prompt one by one, paste it into Gemini, click Generate, wait a few seconds. Repeat the same process until every scene is completed. After a short time, look at these results, viewers. Now all of my images are completely ready. Just look at them carefully. Every image looks cinematic. Every dinosaur looks consistent. The characters remain exactly the same throughout the story. The quality is excellent. The composition is beautiful. The lighting is realistic. Everything looks professional. Now I'll simply download every image one by one and save them to my computer because we'll need them in the next step. And viewers, now comes the most exciting part of this tutorial. Okay, viewers, now it's time for the most exciting part of this tutorial, video generation. For creating videos, simply open the PixVerse AI website. Viewers, I swear to God, PixVerse AI is an absolutely amazing platform. In my opinion, it delivers some of the best image-to-video results currently available, and the quality is simply outstanding. The best part is that when you create a new account and log in for the first time, PixVerse gives you 90 free credits. Yes, viewers, 90 free credits, which are more than enough to generate several high-quality AI videos without spending any money. Now let me show you the complete process step by step. As you can see, I've already logged into my account using my email address. After logging in, we can finally move to the most exciting part, animating our images into cinematic videos. First, click on the image to video option. Now I'll simply upload the first image that we generated earlier. Once the image is uploaded, I'll adjust the duration, configure the necessary settings, and make sure everything is set correctly. Next, I'll copy my video prompt from the master prompt and paste it into the prompt box. After checking all the settings one last time, I'll simply click on the Create button. And that's it! Now you can see that my first AI video has started generating. At this point, you don't have to do anything. Just be patient and wait for a few moments. Usually, PixVerse AI takes around 20 to 25 seconds to generate a high-quality animated video, so don't worry if it takes a little time. The final result is definitely worth the wait. As you can see, my video is currently being processed. Let's wait a few more seconds, and look at this result, viewers. Wow! My very first AI video is now completely ready. Just look at the animation quality. The dinosaur movements look smooth. The camera motion is cinematic. The lighting looks beautiful. Everything feels professional and highly engaging. Honestly, the result looks absolutely amazing. Now let's create the second video. I'll upload my second image. After that, I'll paste the second video prompt into the prompt box. I'll keep the required settings the same. Then I'll simply click the Create button once again. Now my second AI video has also started generating. Again, we'll wait patiently for a few seconds while PixVerse processes the animation. And there it is. Look at the second video. Once again, the quality is incredible. The animation is smooth. The dinosaur remains perfectly consistent. The environment looks realistic. And the overall cinematic feel is simply outstanding. Okay, viewers, now both of my AI videos are completely ready. And the most amazing part is that I created both of these videos with just one click using a 100% free AI tool. I didn't spend a single dollar. Everything you watched in today's tutorial, from story generation, image creation, video animation, and prompts, was created using completely free AI tools. I truly hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and found these AI tools useful. If this video helped you learn something new, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my future AI tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.